Welcome back, everyone. We're gonna be playing for 5 minutes.
Hey.
This is can you be called for with only a Gauss Rifle? We're going to Bunker Hill, and then we're gonna be like fast traveling back to Sanctuary, and then all we need to do is get to the top of Bunker Hill, and then we can fast travel back to Sanctuary. And now for the funniest joke ever. Well, some people treat it as a joke. Some people treat this as a joke. You know? Anyway. Oh, there we go. Yeah, no, I need to wait.
You there. Caravan or Raider?
Raider!
Alright, the market's open if you need it. Just remember, the protection we pay your bosses is...
I thought that, it would have been cooler, you know, if like, it was like, Raider, are you sure you want to say that? Or something like that. Alright, where am I looking for? There was, oh, right, top floor. I mean, I can make it to the police station in like a minute from Diamond City. Or I can get to the USS Riptide and then like call it good.
Perfect.
308, and then back down the stairs. Oh wait, no, I can just fast travel to... Yeah, it's like everywhere that I've discovered is very far away from the police station, but like Police Precinct 8 is actually the closest, so it's like we'll start there. Oh, how interesting. I got... Yeah, usually I'm like at level 4 by the time I do that because I kill a few things, but like you know, I'm sorry that my mic keeps getting quiet as well. So yeah, we're like, this is gonna take another minute, and then we're gonna try and get to the police station. We're gonna get close to the police station, rather. We're gonna get I should have went there the last, but then, oh well. I need to go north, and more north. I've discovered a few places that are close as well to other places that... Wait, where did I get my health from?
Oh, it's on! Are you fucking kidding me?
No. If I was kidding you, like, you know, you'd be laughing. I need to get the thing on the USS Riptide, but I don't have enough stealth to do that yet. I think that 15% less damage is like the equivalent of 10 damage resistance. I don't know, though. I don't need to get Refractor, though. I could try and get X688's perk, but at the same time, it's like, what? Alright, now I'm close. I should have discovered a few other places. But yeah, getting to Fraternal Post will help a lot with the discovery of the police station. Now I'm here. Now I just go through here at college campus place. I can't remember what it is. This is for Fraternal Post. Oh, Cambridge Polymer Labs. Oh, I need that power armor. Oh no, that was Fraternal Post. That was Cambridge Poly. Okay. Okay, I'll take that though, because I know I need that. And here we are. I'm going to be the most useful.
That's how we do it. Civilian in the perimeter. Check your fire. No prisoners. For the Brotherhood. Target eliminated. Let's show them how the Brotherhood does it. This is the part of the job that I love.
This one's got bottle caps, bottle caps, bottle caps, bottle caps. I mean, technically to me ammo, unless it's you know, the appropriate
Weapons cold.
All right, I was useful. Now I can fast travel to Sanctuary and call it good. Oh, right, I have to go. Oh, wait, no, I don't have to go over the bridge because it spawns you right in front of your house. Because reasons, I don't remember why. Oh, right, because I created the one character that. And 30% less damage, and then, but like that's at level 17, and then like. And then toughness will be the. I know that like those are normally useful, but like for someone, well, actually, I gotta grab adamantium skeleton or sneak. But yeah, water because I know I'm gonna forget that, and then. Oh man, this game looks so much better when you don't have the weird character lighting. I'm gonna just look at that once more. Yeah. Like there's a few spots in which like it does actually make sense to have it on, like if there's like a light, like sometimes at night it does, like but like for the most part it makes absolutely no sense to have the character light on. I wish I knew about that so long ago. But at the same time I'm glad I didn't, because it's like, but it makes the game also so much more difficult because it's like, you know, you're anyway, that's enough game for now. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a nice